मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, आई एम श्वेता एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल। तो जैसा कि आप लोग देख सकते हो, आई एम हेडिंग आउट एंड आई एम गोइंग टू कनाडा पोस्ट, जो टोरंटो की और कनाडा की पोस्टल एजेंसी है, क्योंकि मैंने कुछ पेपर वर्क्स मेल आउट करना है। तो मैं उसके लिए जा रही हूँ, बट आई एम काइंड ऑफ स्कैर्ड बिकॉज इट्स बिन रियली लॉन्ग एंड बहुत टाइम के बाद मैं किसी स्टोर जा रही हूँ, क्योंकि आई मेड श्योर आई ऑर्डर एवरीथिंग ऑनलाइन एंड इट कम्स टू माई प्लेस ऑल डिलीवर्ड। बट आई हैव टू गो, क्योंकि कनाडा पोस्ट को अपने घर पे कैसे लाऊँ। तो मैंने सोचा आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करती हूँ माई ट्रिप टू कनाडा पोस्ट के बाहर क्या चल रहा है, कैसा है। तो लेट्स गो अहेड एंड सी एंड एट द सेम टाइम आई एम गोना डू अ बाइक राइड, क्योंकि मैं अपनी बाइक पे जाऊंगी, तो साथ साथ मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी कि बाहर यहाँ पर कैसा है कोविड सिचुएशन। तो लेट्स गो अहेड। वर्क मेल करना है कनाडा पोस्ट में, वो भी मैंने रेडी कर लिया है। मेरा क्यूट सा बैक पैक है पिंक, जो मैं बाइक राइड्स पे लेके जाती हूँ। सो दिस इज़ द बैक पैक आई हैव पैक्ड एंड यू नो द मेल दैट आई नीड टू डू, माई पेपर वर्क इज़ राइट हियर एंड ऑल्सो मैंने अपना वॉलेट, so I've kept my wallet on the side packs like that. And the best thing about my bag is that I have a sanitizer that's always hanging here, so I can always use that. And then the most important thing that I don't want to forget is use, because this one has filters, so it's just going to protect me outside. So this is how I would look. Okay, so I'm gonna be going out, guys. My bike is ready and so you can see my backpack is on. My usually the residential limits are 40, so I'm trying to follow because I will be under that. Okay. Alright guys, so not sure if you can see, but like I'm heading towards the major intersection. अभी light हो गया, तो I'm gonna go soon. So this is actually let's go this way. Let's go this way. And alright, so just gonna head this way. देखो कितना सारा ट्रैफिक है ना. So when you're on bike, you wanna make sure that you're aware. Alright? Okay. We are heading towards the major intersection. Alright guys, so we are nearing the destination. So I'm going to enter the plaza now. To the left. ये देख लो, हम अंदर जा रहे हैं प्लाजा के. अच्छा, आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे बॉस्टन पिज़्ज़ा भी है. Okay, and you can see there's a server जो अभी अंदर जा रही है. And everyone is wearing masks. I don't see a lot of people, but when I turned left, जब मैं लेफ़्ट में देखा तो यहाँ एक पैटियो है बॉस्टन पिज़्ज़ा का ऑन द लेफ़्ट. यहाँ पे कुछ लोग बैठ के खाना खा रहे हैं. देखिए, see that? Okay. And now we will just quickly go to the Shoppers Drug Mart. Alright, so guys, you can see that red big building to the right behind the cars. So here we are at Shoppers Drug Mart. Okay, and now what I'm doing is I'm actually looking for a parking for my bike, because I don't see bike racks, and here I was very upset thinking that where am I going to park now. Oh my god, there's actually no parking. So I was very scared where should I park the bike and go, क्योंकि टोरंटो में बाइक चोरी हो जाते हैं, so I don't want that. So then in the meanwhile I was requesting one of the security guards in the store to help me park the bike. So then she was very nice and allowed me to bring it inside.
Thank you so much.
She was a security guard who helped me park the bike. Okay, so quickly I'm taking you through the aisles. I'm not shopping today. I'm heading towards looking for Canada Post. So let's go. So there guys, in the top to the left, that's Canada Post, and you saw how everyone is wearing masks here. Everybody is wearing masks. So here is the lineup. So I'm going to just line up here.
Sorry. Okay. I just need to mail something.
So here the lady told me that even if you do express, we will charge you, but the notice says it will be delayed.
Visa is okay, right?
I just finished paying for the service and she's going to give me the receipt. And now quickly I am going to go ahead and fill up
Should have worn gloves.
this envelope to mail. So let's do that.
Thank you. Okay, it's off.
Hi, so it's done. The Canada Post is done, and oops, we're going out now. I'm gonna go this way. I'm not shopping anything today. Just going. Alright, so here stuck again because I exited, but my bike was in the intersection. So I'm getting ready to move out to exit. So here I could not go out because it wouldn't open. It says no exit. So I'm asking for help for someone to open the door. Hilarious.
Can you, excuse me? Can you just come from here? I just want to see. Thank you.
LOL, finally. Alright guys, so let's
guys,
head
we're going
home
back.
quickly.
And
I'm hungry and I'm sweating. It's really hot. It's really hot. It's really hot. I need water and I'm gonna take a cold shower. So this was my bike ride, guys, and how did you like my video? If you like my video, please like and share it, and do not forget to like, subscribe and share my channel, Life with Shweta's Eyes, and I'll keep entertaining you with such videos and more. So tab tak ke liye, love to all, and and see you in my next video. Bye.